whole foot in her mouth.
9 games in League One fell victim to...
We're getting that pine floor as well.
Hmm?
We're getting that pine floor as well.
Alright. So is that all plastered?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We'll have to come and have a look. I'll come up here in the morning, but I'm going to go and do some painting there tomorrow if you want to come and have a look.
She's dragging her about upside down. Look.
You could bring her really, couldn't you? Yeah, Ben.
Oh!
Was that Lola or Millie?
No, that was Millie. Poor Millie.
Lola!
No, leave her.
Just leave her.
Just leave her. She likes it. She's playing.
I know she, yeah. She might want to. Millie, just pin her down. Come on, Millie. Act like you've got some balls. It's half the size of you. Pin her down. Millie, now. She's barely your size.
Fucking Bennett.
What did she do there?
It's just a bloody chewing at the
Well,
death.
that Holly's not here. She can pass herself. Like a shake, Millie.
Shake, I know she was.
Kick her, Millie. Get her. That's all.
Bennett. Millie's ain't trying there.
Millie's using her paws more than her teeth.
She must have nipped, Millie must have nipped her.
Good girl, Millie. Good girl.